All right, if you want to use Gamma AI faster and save time, this guide will show you simple ways to speed up your workflow. First, use clear and direct prompts. Yeah, better prompts mean fewer edits later. Instead of starting from scratch, use templates. They save a lot of time on design and structure. Let Gamma create everything first, then edit. Yeah, don't slow yourself down trying to perfect things early. Use short text and simple layouts. Less content means faster editing and better clarity. Reuse your previous projects or content. Yeah, you don't need to start fresh every time. Learn basic shortcuts for editing. This helps you work much faster than clicking everything. Don't spend too much time on design. Yeah, keep it clean and move on. Create multiple slides or projects in one session. Batching helps you stay focused and save time. Take advantage of Gamma's auto formatting and generation tools. Yeah, let AI handle the heavy work. These tips will help you use Gamma AI much faster. Once you apply them, your workflow will become smooth and efficient.